Welcome to the third section of our course. In this section, we're focusing our attention on user interaction. There are various ways to guide and interact with the users, making the platform user-friendly and increasing the capability to focus on business processes rather than simply providing a system of operation focused only on data entry. In this video, we're looking at what are processes. There are several ways to map processes on the platform. We're going to focus our attention during this section on things like dialogues. While announced as deprecated starting with version 9.0, they are still available on the platform and serve to guide a user through a succession of questions and answers to capture the most relevant data in a record. There is no direct replacement of dialogues available just yet, so we'll be covering this topic quickly. Workflows. For situations where something needs to happen on the platform without direct user interaction, we have the ability to configure and trigger a workflow. Business rules. Back in older versions, we used to write a lot of client-side scripting to handle various actions on a form, things like pre-populating a field based on a condition, or showing messages to users, setting or unsetting a business-required field, or locking and unlocking a field can now be done easily through configuration only. Business process flows. On more complex processes, typically there are multiple steps and stages for completion. The ability to configure business process flows, BPFs for short, allows us to not only guide the user through a consistent predefined path, but also allows the user to quickly see where they are in the process and what needs to be done next. There are basic guides for users to get their work done. The newest addition to the pack, Power Apps and Flow, give businesses the power to create custom solutions without the lengthy and sometimes cumbersome software development processes. While not necessarily directly related to Dynamics 365, as these kind of apps work independent of the platform, they play really well with Dynamics 365 customer engagement to enhance the platform value and open up new possibilities for organizations. We've seen that various processes can be mapped on the platform to guide the user and make their life easier. Let's start looking at the details of these processes.